What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today I was browsing over on Twitter and I saw something very interesting about the My Files app on your Samsung device, which actually is where you can access all the files on your device. I'm talking about this guy right here, being integrated into the stock One UI settings menu, which of course I'm talking about over here. So I want to talk about this. It's from someone who covers Samsung over on Twitter. They didn't say what software version it's on, so I'm not able to 100% confirm this, but it is an interesting idea and potentially could come with this April update that we're going to get very soon. And I thought it would be fun to look at and explore. Before we do that, last time I made a video, I talked about the Lamacall desktop stand that I'm using, which is the one back here, this blue one. And Lamacall also sent me out another great product. They have a bunch of different stands and stuff that I use. I've been using their stuff for a long time. And this is their Lamacall car vent mount. This is a holder for your phone that you can mount on your car vent. Basically, you just hook this to the car vent. And then once this is hooked into the car vent, you can just press this button here at the bottom. Of course, this expands. You place your phone in there, close it, and then you're all set. This does fit the S23 Ultra, so no worries about that. It's very simple to assemble and very simple to implement. Like I said, the S23 Ultra slides right down in there. So if you're already using the Lamacall desktop stand that I showed you guys before, this thing also has a flexible ball joint that moves, and it's very easy to release. Definitely check this out. I'll drop it below in the comments. A lot of people seem to like the stand, so I figured I'd show some other awesome Lamacall accessories, and I'll have a coupon code below if you guys are interested in the Lamacall car vent mount. But let's talk about this Twitter post that I saw and just the idea that is being presented there. If we go here, I'll show it to you. I don't want to mispronounce their Twitter handle, but it's Chohao Allen. I know I'm mispronouncing it wrong, but I'll drop a link to their profile below. This tweet got some coverage by a bunch of the different Samsung media outlets, including Sam Mobile and a couple of other blogs, and then I also saw it as well, so I bookmarked it. They're saying My Files is now integrated into the settings, and it will not be available on the app screen, but you can enable it to show on the app screen anyway. So if you look here, what he's basically saying is that now you can find all of your recent files as a My Files app integrated now into the settings menu. Now, of course, it currently has an app icon, which I showed earlier, but that's currently not in the settings menu. So if you look here in battery and device care, you'll notice the only thing I have directly below battery and device care is the apps menu. So right now that's not there. He's saying that this was added. I don't know if this is on another country or software version. He didn't really say, but he did show that you can still add it as an app icon. So that's not going to be removed. There's an option to do that within the My Files settings. You can see here that you can show My Files on the app screen or choose to turn that off so it's only accessible within the settings menu. Now, I think this might be somewhat of a controversial change for a lot of us when it comes to My Files, because I personally like being able to just tap on the icon, the app, because I don't want necessarily to have to go to the settings menu to access all the files or copy and paste, move things around. You guys know with the ringtone tutorial I showed, you really have to do a little bit of copying and pasting within the My Files app. So it would be nice to not have to, go all the way to the settings for that. However, on the other hand, if you have the option to do both or one or the other, I don't really have a problem with this at the end of the day. Kind of curious what you guys think about it, because it is a big change in terms of the workflow and settings of your device. Now, let me suggest one other thing. If this change is legitimate, and of course, I would assume if it's legitimate, we might see it in the April update that's also going to have all these camera improvements. One thing that I would really like to see is I would like to see Good Lock and maybe even also Good Guardians integrated into the settings. That would be the one big change that I've been asking for on my channel for a long time. All these awesome Good Lock modules could really be integrated into the stock One UI settings. There's no reason that Samsung can't do this. That way you can change your icon pack directly from the stock menu. You can customize your pen, your lock screen, all your keyboard. All these things really could be customized in the stock settings. So I would really like to see all these Good Lock modules fit in somewhere along here as well. That would actually be more compelling to me than a My Files integration with the settings menu. Now, of course, I don't think we're going to see that until One UI 6.0. The beta should start in the middle of the summer, probably in June again. So hopefully we'll have a chance to see if that occurs. Maybe they'll finally listen and give us what we want, incorporate more Good Lock modules into stock One UI. Anyway, I thought this would be an interesting one. There can't be huge updates and everything every day, so I try to find interesting news, things to talk about with you guys and pose about Samsung software. Let me know if you guys enjoy these style of videos where I do general updates and things I've seen. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out this nice Lamacall car vent mount to go with your Lamacall desktop stand, I'll drop the link below as well as a discount code, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.